Did you know that this delicious pomegranate is way more than just a healthy treat? In Chinese, pomegranate is called 石榴 and is packed with not just seeds, but also a big message: unity and solidarity. Think about the seeds inside a pomegranate. They are packed together, forming a close community. Like communities in the cultural melting pots of New York or London, people from all kinds of backgrounds come together, live, and thrive as one. There are places just like that in China. For example, this warm-hearted community in Kashgar, Xinjiang, home to over 10 different ethnic groups. Inspired by the pomegranate seed spirit, the local government has been running various programs to strengthen unity in this community. They call it the red pomegranate culture. In schools and communities, people celebrate festivals together and share their traditions and cultures. Everyone feels closer this way, as if they are part of one big family. A beautiful example is the story of an elderly lady named Pan Yulian. Back in 1992, she started a free love classroom where she tutored and cared for children from different ethnic backgrounds. She was like a pomegranate seed herself, bringing these kids together with kindness and knowledge, showing them that love and unity can transcend any differences. In the local community, you can sense this unity everywhere. Residents gather at markets and festivals, sharing their favorite dishes and homemade crafts. It's like one big, close-knit family. In Chinese, we say they are 像石榴籽一样紧紧抱在一起, like the seeds of a pomegranate living and thriving close to each other. With 56 ethnic groups in China, each brings something unique to the table. We've built something incredible alongside each other, just like how the seeds of a pomegranate stick together. This idea of unity isn't just for China, but also for building a world in which everyone can coexist together, no matter where you are from. A community with a shared future for mankind, one big global family working towards the same goal. So whether we are in China or anywhere else around the globe, the message is the same. 我们要像石榴籽一样紧紧地抱在一起. We need to stick together like pomegranate seeds, closely connected and united.